Hello everybody, this is week number 2 of our third term. Okay, and it goes from July 12th to July 16th. The year is 2020. Our objective says, can name and describe different objects using common and proper nouns. Okay, very good. Let's go to the page 24 of the book number 3. This is the book number 3. Okay, the book for the third term. Okay, very good. Book number 3, don't forget that. The keywords for this term, for this week, are feel, heal, kinetic energy, memory, potential energy, and roller coaster. Exercise 1, you have to read the book. Teamwork. You can find this book in the platform or in You Awesome Reader and Writer book. You also can find this story. Okay, so you have to match the words with the meanings. Hometown, obnoxious, geek, conceited, motion, acceleration, and expertise. You match these words with the definitions. On the exercise 2, you have a question or some questions. Have you ever been the new one in a place? How did you feel? Did you make new friends? So you have to answer these questions, then you have to describe first I felt, then and finally. If you were the new person in a place, at school, for example. And here, what's your expertise? What's your expertise is what do you know how to do? What can you do? Okay, what can you do? Are you an expert at cooking? Are you an expert at maybe playing soccer? What's your expertise? Are you an expert at solving math problems, doing things at the computer? What's your expertise? Page 25, you have a questionnaire, okay, about the book that you read. Yes, you have the continuation of the book that you read. Okay, and then you have to answer multiple choice. You have some more questions here. Okay, the exercise 4, you have to answer these questions. Okay, have you ever been on a big roller coaster? This is a roller coaster. You can go to Mundo Aventura or Salitre Mágico, and then you can ride on the roller coaster. How did you feel before you went on it? How did you feel during the ride? Would you do it again and why? Okay, very good. On the page 26, you have a reading comprehension. Read the passage and make up a possible title. You have to invent a title for this text. Okay, you read and invent the title. The keywords now are binders, cafeteria, nervousness, schedule, stairs, supplies. And the exercise says, underline each word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Then write them in the columns below. Do you know what these words are called? Okay. Person, place, and thing. So you have to underline the words that name a person, a place, or a thing. Yes? For example, let me see. For example, let me see. School. Okay? School names a thing, a place. Okay? Place here, school. Do you know the name of these words? Okay, let's go to the page 27, and now you are going to see the name of these words. They are nouns. The nouns can name places, people, animals, and things. They can be common and proper. Common nouns begin with lowercase letters and designate animals and things. Lowercase. What is a lowercase letter? For example, this letter C in the middle of the screen is lowercase. Okay, it's a small letter. Okay, but the proper nouns begin with capital letters. What is a capital letter? Capital. Look, this M, the letter M is capital. capital M to start. Okay? Let me see. Proper nouns begin with capital letters and name people and places mainly. People and places. The word map is common. It begins with lowercase. Christopher Columbus is proper noun, so it begins with capital letters. Yes? Exercise 3, match each definition on the left with the correct noun on the right. Then write the corresponding letter in the space provided. Okay? So you write the letters on the right. You have to write these letters on the left in the spaces provided. Okay? No more. Move to page 28. The tryouts. You have to read this and then you have to summarize all this text in one sentence. Summarize. What is the summary? You read one story and then you say, okay, this movie is about invasion of the aliens. This is the summary. Summarize. This movie is about a man who saves the planet. This is the summary. This story is about a woman who lost her child in the war. This is the summary. Okay? Keywords here are butterflies, glove, high five, luck, over, and uniform. Okay? Question: what's the strongest emotion you've ever felt? Draw yourself at that moment. Okay? You have to draw yourself here of a very difficult moment or a strong emotion that you had in this space. Okay? Very good. This is all you have to do for this week. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.